What if I told you the secret to skyrocketing your business was hidden in a 100-year-old car factory? We've all heard of Henry Ford, but back in the 1900s, he had a big problem. His cars were being built one at a time by hand. It was a slow and expensive process. But Henry Ford knew he needed to find a way to speed things up, or his dream of making cars that were affordable for the average American was gonna die right there. So he looked deep into his processes, and then he didn't tweak them, he completely reinvented them. He created the assembly line, where each worker did one simple, repetitive task. Suddenly his cars went from taking 12 to 24 hours to build to being fully completed in just over 90 minutes. And that one change didn't just make his cars cheaper and faster, it changed the entire automobile industry. So Ford's genius wasn't inventing the car, it was inventing the system that made cars accessible to everyone. So now let's talk about you. If you're like most business owners, you're probably running your social media the old-fashioned way, doing everything manually, post by post, caption by caption. It's slow, it's repetitive, and it's sucking your time away from other more important tasks. Meanwhile, the businesses you're competing with are out there running their social media like a well-oiled assembly line, automating their content, scheduling their posts, and reaching a wider audience without breaking a sweat. So today I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, how to automate a very popular style of Instagram post so you can get your time back but still authentically grow your audience. And I'll break this down step by step so that you can stop grinding and start scaling. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your social media into a well-oiled assembly line. So you're going to need a couple things for this technique. The first thing is just one or two posts that you've written that you really like, that you think just showcase your best ability, communication-wise, whatever, you're the best version of you.
I wasn't exactly my best self today either.
In language, a Twitter style post, so a short post. The second thing you're gonna need to do is go on canva.com and pick out the Twitter post template that you like. And that's a very simple process. Log on to Canva, in the search bar, type in Twitter post. Scroll through your options, find one you like the best, change the colors, change the picture, change your username, change the font. Make it look the way you want it to look. Shouldn't take you more than like 5 minutes. Third thing you're gonna need is just a Google Sheets account to just create a blank Google Sheet. And the fourth thing is ChatGPT. Hopefully ChatGPT 4, if not, I won't judge you, but it's $20 a month. So step one, you're gonna find that post that you like, you're gonna save it somewhere that you can easily copy and paste it. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. We're gonna open up a new conversation in GPT-4. Now we're gonna use what I call my content clone method. So in this new conversation in GPT-4, you're gonna enter the first part of the prompt. The prompt is this: act as a copywriter, and given the text examples below, I want you to generate the text I ask for in that particular writing style. Start by analyzing the text below, specifically the writing style, tone, and the way nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs are used. After that, you are going to copy and paste the post that you want to recreate. So that's 2 parts of a 3-part prompt. The third part is underneath that post, you're gonna type write, and I'm gonna give a blank number here. You can go any number you want here. I'm gonna say 15. Write 15 Twitter style posts using the same writing style, tone, and word usage of the above post. Keep posts within Twitter's character limits. Then you're just gonna press enter and watch ChatGPT do its magic. It's gonna create, again, you can put whatever number you want in there. You can write 40, you can write 400. I'm just gonna go 15 for the sake of this video. So now you have 15 posts that sound like you, that agree with your philosophy, that could probably pass as something you've created, which is really is the purpose of AI and ChatGPT right now. You're saving time by replicating a skill set that you already have. So step 2 of this process, you're gonna go to Google Sheets, you're just gonna open up a blank sheet. You just need 1 column, and that's it. You can delete the rest, you can keep it there, it honestly doesn't matter. What you're going to do is you're gonna take every post that ChatGPT just generated, you're gonna copy and paste it into its own box in that first column. So by the end of this process, my spreadsheet's gonna look like this. It's just gonna have 15 things in that first column. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 15. Once we do that, we just save it as a CSV file. Simple enough so far, right? So step 3, we're gonna head over to canva.com. You're gonna open up that Twitter template post that you liked, and on the left-hand side on your screen, you're gonna scroll down in that menu bar all the way on the left-hand side, and if you do not see the bulk create option at the bottom, you're going to click apps. In there, you're gonna type bulk create in that search bar. Once you do that, click it, it's gonna pull it up. Your screen's gonna look like this. It's going to ask you to add your data. Our data is the spreadsheet that we just created. So we're gonna not click enter data manually. You could do that if you wanted. We're gonna click upload data, and then we're simply going to choose the CSV file that we just created. So once that's uploaded, you're gonna click the text on your screen, you're gonna click those 3 dots, and you're gonna click connect data. Once you do that, you're gonna see a box pop up with your first tweet. You're gonna click that tweet, and then hit continue on the left-hand side. All the tweets that you just made are gonna be visible right there. They're all gonna have a purple check mark next to them. You just need to scroll down and click generate blank number of design. And so once you click that button, that's it. all of your tweets are generated. All you have to do is scroll through, make sure the formatting looks good, make sure you want to, change the text size, change the font, things like that. But other than that, the creation process is done. You can make however many of these that you want. And as you see, once you get this process down, you can do it in about like 90 seconds to 5 minutes. That means that you can get done like 2-3 months worth of social media posts in less time than it takes you to blow your nose in the morning.